Welcome to the Easy Fix It Tech News channel, and this is a quick update for security updates for Windows. So if you're on Windows 8.1 as a consumer or on Windows 10, you are getting a cumulative update because today is Patch Tuesday, and that is what Microsoft wants to call also Security Tuesday, the second Tuesday of the month, December 8th, 2020. These are security updates, and of course, a lot of things can go wrong when you don't apply security updates. So if you want more details later on the main Windows channel, I will have the look at what's in there. But on this channel, we're going to keep it to security updates. All of you that are on long-term support of Windows 7, of course, are getting these updates, a cumulative update also, because long-term support paid support continues getting update for 3 years. So we're almost already at 1 year done. And that means that it's going to keep safe. And of course, for those that are consumers that don't get these updates, you've now got hundreds and hundreds of security flaws that could be easy to exploit. So if you're still using Windows 7, you are in big danger, and you might be infected already and you don't even know about it. You gotta move on at some point. So Windows 8.1, Windows 10, and long-term support Windows 7. Cumulative updates today, December 8th, for security. And those are the updates that are going to keep you safe until the next one in January. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.